QuietCool wireless RF control is the simplest way to control your QuietCool advanced whole house fan from anywhere in your home. The QuietCool wireless RF control allows users to set the length of time that the fan will run, as well as set the desired speed level and adjust speed settings for any multi-speed QuietCool. The top button on the switch controls the timer functionality of the fan, while the bottom button on the switch controls the speed functionality of the fan. To begin using your QuietCool wireless RF switch, press the top button once to wake up the remote and once again to turn the fan on. Continue pressing the top button to cycle through the number of hours you would like your fan to run: 1, 2, 4, 8, or 12 hours. To run your whole house fan indefinitely, cycle through all of the time settings until all of the lights on the top button are illuminated. Push the top button once more to turn off your whole house fan. All of the top button lights will turn off when the fan is off. Push the top button once more to turn on your whole house fan. When the switch is on, push the bottom button to change the speed of your QuietCool whole house fan to low, medium, or high. Remember, certain whole house fan models only operate using 2 speeds. If your whole house fan is a 2-speed model, it will automatically skip the medium setting when using the speed selection button. To turn off the fan again, cycle through the top button until all of the time lights flash and then click it once more to turn the fan off.